is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, akpene miaƒe ŋkpɔrɔ katã be migatsia Yimba TV ŋutia, tso miaƒe TVwo katã gale miaƒe ŋutiwo na tɔnu megbe nya ŋuti do na mi hewoe zɔ do na mi va miaƒe wɔnɔƒe gɔme dze meda kpe na mi aleke gbegbe miamewo ke nana mi ŋutsotso miamewo ke do na miaƒe tamesusuwo kple aɖaŋuwo do na mi mikɔ tsra miaƒe wɔnawo. Gba to ha ganɔ ke tɔxe me ko dzi kple nyagbe ka baro ke biatsɔ so miaƒe agbezɔliwo le agbegboya ŋu ne mi zɔ ɖe ŋgɔa miakpɔ ka nye nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke to tso miaƒe amuga ŋutɔ me afia mi zɔ ga yi ɖe ŋgɔ ayi ɖe ge ŋutɔ me akpɔ ŋkawoe nye nyadzɔdzɔ ke kaka ɖe miaƒe yaʋalawo dzi tɔtɔtɔ miaƒe nyadzɔdzɔ gbãwo ƒe akpa gbãtɔwo dzi hã ke ne Mawu Bukania, Yapa Bukato, you can politicians who work at Yaji, Alaba, Miadro, and now my +233 242 773 in your number. You can attend a couple jeshi, you can attend as an Apokana, in your +233 242 773. None of you can Miakosam the Togo, none of you can Miakosam the Hilaponji, some Pletomohata. +233 242 773 in your number. And now, okay, Miamokele Ghana, Minyale Kemiago 0242 773 in your number. Kemiako, Ako, Acheka, Miapwe, the Miabaja room, Hiana Miala, and another one, another to Tue, Miawe Tenapa, one, Miame, Manumia, Miavatawe Mila to flow away. Don't put you going back to Facebook, I'm on Facebook, if you like. Atema to Facebook a check up link. Facebook hanya tebeka na tem ato a check up link. Ke ma bien habe le amshame ke nyen kosema na manya fi ke nyen kosem twe emaga hana le eba to me ale bebe. Ta na wo chocho do ndamia don kujibe yang fi ke ne nyen kosem twe plus ube mia anyale ke nyabe mona yo ke miaga motivational segment enye pare ke Fola Herbal Clinic demebena bidak bena Fola Herbal Clinic wala bena mi ale bebe wo darung demi alo do mi cho do me bebe akbena mi na wo ha asenya kofia udoji jono alo nyonyo de nyola mu ya terminan chala be mia ano domna ye miano parem nai la morengwa ke nomba ke tibia kia onya nomba ke naten ayo fa alabe mia akberemu. All right, me get me a motivational segment me message ke me akonya. Beauty isn't about having a pretty face, it is about having a pretty mind. Beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It is about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. Beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. That's the motivational message for today. Real quotes number enyananeke atang atumiru nyananeke miako aso miako aso lele bebe gama agba mi ponjo tubenchi beauty tube Doba mare nyu tugbe, alo mare dze tugbea. Mefia be amawo mo srɔ̃ abe aŋe no. Mefia be amewo ƒe ama ƒe ŋkume ele abe aŋe no. Tugbea menye mo ƒe dzanidzani alo mo ƒe nyakpɔnyakpɔ ƒe nya nye gblɔm mi ɖo. Gake ne ame aɖe ƒe susu dzani, ama menya me do vo, eƒe susu me do vo, eƒe taku me do vo, menyanya le susu le ɖokui me. Ne ame ma ƒe dzime kɔ, a pretty heart, ama ƒe dzime kɔ, nama gawu ƒe luƒo me zrɔ̃ lanana ye woyɔna be tugbe. Ɖe miaŋtsuwo ɖe mieva de agba ɖewo kɔ be kpɔ le aboƒe ŋɔtsi le mirɔ, aboƒe alime le ke yova 24 economy. Madzidzi o, eko mi nya wo ɖa, elabe mía tɔgbuiwo gblea le agbalẽnyo ma ɖe. Ɖevia ɖe ku be yi ɖe srɔ̃. Ta ŋka kpɔ mi le tso míaƒe sedoamenya yi ke le míaƒe ŋdia me. Yi kpɔ mi le kpui ɖe. Megabu game ɖe ɖokuiwo be ami sim. Bu game ɖe ɖokuiwo be ye ami tam, ye ɖa wɔm, asi liƒoliƒo ɖe ŋutɔ, asi pankeki ɖe mo, be nye tugbo. Egba ŋkekea me mi ke mi lea, tugbe akɔ aku, tugbe adoduia, ele ame ƒe susu me. Tugbe aku aku, tugbe adoduia, ele ame ƒe susu me. Tamesusu kawoe le asiwo ɖe nɔviwo ŋuti. Tamesusu kawoe le tagome na wo. Eye ne nye kpɔm ɖe, ɖe ɖo vɔ ɖe ŋunye he aɖu kom dɔmetɔ le vo wɔm kpli ma. Ene nye kpɔm ɖe, gbagba yiwo dze me le ɖe, enyo ŋua. Eye nye kpɔm ɖe alo ɖe tso be wònyanya nye ko matu nye fu ma yɔ ye. Ɖe sia ɖe ko ŋutsu aɖe woe. Alo nyɔnu aɖe no wɔm do ganam. Tamesusu ke tamedzo ame heli le míaƒe dekɔnu. Wobe amea dzo ame tɔe le nye. Alabe tamedzo nu, ŋke nye tamedzo. Ama kuna ʋu, esia yi. Egba gbe wòle gandu me alo vɔzɔ va yi ko be o yewo ƒu agble. Eɖi kokui no. So egba short game le si wòdze ami o. Yewo yɔna be dzoɖuametɔ, tamedzo ɖuametɔe nye. Elabe nka. Gbagba sia gbagba dze be ame ma ne yi ɖe to. Enye wò dzidzi be ama ne yi ɖe to. Ye tae wòhiã be míasrɔ̃ ale yi ke mi lɔna me. Míasrɔ̃ ale yi ke mi wɔna nɔvi. Míasrɔ̃ ale yi ke mi dzina nyui ne mía nɔnɔewo. Míasrɔ̃ ale yi ke míaƒe tamesusu ale yi ke mi buna tso mía nɔnɔewo ŋu ɖi. Manɔ be dzoɖuametɔwo ene o. Nenemae mi egbe ƒe wɔna gbɔmedzege ma. O susu me ne kɔ, o xɔxɔ me ne kɔ, ameyibɔ xɔxɔ yibɔ, awo menyo. O susu me ne kɔ, o tago me ne kɔ, o luʋɔ me ne kɔ, o gbe me ne kɔ, ne na zɔzɔlia ɖe ɖoɖo ɖe ŋuti alebe ame sia ame yi ke ade ɖe ŋu, ame sia ame ke atsi ka kpakple ame sia ame ke azɔ kpli, ame sia ame ke zɔ kpli kpɔ ne aɖi aɖase nyui aɖe tso ŋu. Aleke ame kpɔ be míadze egba ƒe wɔna gɔme yeyi. Yo ke magbogbo aƒota egba ƒe le nyanya me egba ƒe motivational message avivi na magbogbo. Ta medzi be maƒota magbogbo magaxlẽ ake ko mía adzo dza age bana home motivational message you can get battle jichona alaka bebe e die majiwe magawum bele battle. All right. Beauty is not about having a pretty face. No. Beauty is not about having a pretty face. That is the quote for today. Beauty is not about having a pretty face. It is about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul, sweet soul, cooperative soul, empathetic soul, listening soul, loving soul, caring soul, kind soul, a soul that cares about people, and that is beauty. All right. Now for the day, Nyazorango, Yayo.com, Yaponka.com India. Mahama attends Sasso Ngweso's swearing-in ceremony. Bilbo Dukoklola John Dramani Mahama, Leotam Kahe, Lebana Ongo, Amukokebalo, Yachumia, Amukanto Mafia, ovd.com, ovd.com. Kelefma, Big Bokombe, Mahama, Zomocho, Ikabai, the Sasso Ngweso. Dodo Shiji Wana Ikaji so that's why I'm doing him. Mahama launches landmark free health program. Echo le Dodua Ntome. Avi Mahama Nabazo mo Sasso Ngweso there. Mahama Ida Dodua Nke Ijida Dodua. Mahama launches landmark free primary health care. And that's also there at home on ovd.com. All right. Chikata, Chachu Chikata credits wife for lifetime triumph. Chachu Chikata, jurist, retired lawyer, ICE lawyer, dope, brainy lawyer, Chachu Chikata, blogger, yes wrong. Yen ton yes wrong. Yen ton yo money. Esther, Hoba, Adokoba, Mano Mia, Nemalagaba. Yeah. All right. Court holds Ioko's wanted declaration against Dr. Kwamega Atuple. Before Dr. Kwamega Atuple, tanku. You know that Afma, you can Muganto of Amachachan Yiko Koroda Adamboha, Chibuba Damboha, Owenye Abunklau, Owenye Amagakyo Yokala, Ghana Padam Habo Bome, Owe Dordam to Coppola, Elafman. Ioko, Again, you do Bareka one out of Povito and Denam Pamboka, Zana Ashichamongo, Alofiaso, Alodokushi do Oko, Duna, Onwe, Waluchi, Vaga. Oba Blomba, Yoko Doba, yo Komiga at the pledge, you are wanted. Me here now, you are wanted. Fugitive of justice. You are wanted. Abaleka OSP, Plena, Ganoforeta, wanted list. I called by hey attention to me. Yokoto, Kaban me the Komigato Promoncora, wanted people. Of course, Mbijima, All right. Ibrahim Mahama, no Ibrahim Mahama, GH1, you can watch TV, the guy you call again, Tonga. Ocho Mapukare ya Panajiba, the Viare, Ajaba, Oduli, Ayikuni, and the home of $40,000. $40,000. That's approximately 500,000 cedis. 500,000 cities. You can get 5 billion. You hear over to ada ibu ike blend ya for dokama. Ada what shine ibu dokan chini afio no. Oba ya bo we pata ma manomia. If ya jagbo ke na maso na Ibrahim hapanya tuko palauche. One touch, $40,000 has been paid in full at Burnout Dato Ibrahim Mahama. Mahama's generosity shines in young boys' fight. In a heartwarming display of philanthropy, businessman Ibrahim Mahama has stepped in to assist a young boy in need, covering the cost of his life-saving kidney transplant abroad. The generous gesture, valued at $40,000, underscores Mahama's commitment to giving back to the community. The young boy, whose identity has been withheld, had been struggling with kidney issues, and the transplant was deemed necessary to save his life. Mahama's timely intervention has brought hope to the family, who were struggling to meet the medical expenses. The transplant is scheduled to take place in a reputable medical facility abroad, where the boy will receive top-notch care. Mahama's office has released a statement expressing his commitment to supporting the boy's recovery and rehabilitation. And of course, this is not the first time Mahama did this. Thank you to business tycoon, big boy, philanthropist, Domenyoto. You can use the popular Ibrahim Mahama, but the Vianchi, I just join a shaman. Or the GH1 TV, but if you have a Mother Gabo. No more player. Afugodo kababara yiku ocho buye charenchio the mabu and marker you to go approachable no small thing fixed. Thank you very much. Okay, let's look at life stories. Trust me, Chikata credits wife for lifetime triumph. Chikata credits wife for lifetime triumph. Renowned jurist Chachu Chikata has attributed his survival and success to the sacrifices of his wife, Mrs. Esther Koba, who warmly celebrated him at an honorific lecture and award ceremony honoring his lifetime achievements. According to Ghana, the event took place at UPSA Law School, recognizing Chikata's profound impact on Ghana's jurisprudence. Mrs. Koba delivered an emotive tribute emphasizing her unwavering support to Chikata's legal career. The celebration highlighted the couple's partnership and its influence on Chikata's professional journey. Chachu Chikata, a distinguished legal scholar, has authored influential works shaping Ghana's legal framework, and his career includes notable contributions to constitutional law and judicial reforms. The honorific lecture featured reflection on Chikata's legacy and his dedication to advancing legal education in Ghana. Scholars praised his mentorship. On and on and on. Chikata said, "My life today is credited to my wife. When I was in jail, it was my wife. Without Esther, I would have been long dead." Joy Gava Yile UPSA, University of Professional Studies Auditorium, Law School Auditorium, Odebubu Tohiade, Chachuchi Katanchi, Lepachi Bazarum. Esther Esther Koba Jiha, Vezien, Chodak Benamau, Jody Balorofia, ye Esther. Chachuchi Katama Pumabari, Yesomanu Mene, Na ye ku ho. Ayo day more ye in Sawam like J.A. Kufo money 2001. Fast track high court. De Chikatamo. Alabanka. Over Dashak Banatel Garo in Belkamu trouble. Ayo net Domagale GP and Ghana Petroleum Company GNPC, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation. GNPC. Yo do court fast track. Nature. Abo Dashak Banate Fani Gama, Mankero Muba. Hey, guy, Maboko, you watch Mugo, you go to jail. Tachikataimo, Aka, amnesty, Chochoke, Chochoke, amnesty do dware, you are bold, Barashichumi. Chikatabere, Nongwea, Malay, Chio, Anine. All right. Miabireka atoplonya matongicha komiga topla mana jimra punamino. A high court in Ghana has restrained the Economic and Organized Crime Office from maintaining a wanted declaration against Dr. Gabriel Komiga Atopla, a member of the Council of State and directors of his company, Sesiedem Company Limited, and according to the court's decision, which stems from EOCO's March 30, 2026 public notice declaring the directors as wanted persons while investigations were ongoing. The court really emphasizes EOCO's acted beyond its legal mandate and breached the company's right to administrative justice. Dr. Komika Atople's company had argued that the declaration was premature and unlawful, and the court agreed, ordering the immediate withdrawal of the wanted notice. Ioko Remo Acha, acting director of Ioko, Obe Anu Dr. Komika Atople Kenya Volta V Ketu Not V. The Council of State Mawonya Magakyo Kuha John Dramani Mahama we do not down the Dramani Toto. I know Payanko Yomba and Yanka wanted or whatever is wrong, and you acted ultra virus. That is from the High Court order. Kabanto, you leave him alone. Mama launches landmark free primary health care in Dodo. I think we should do something a little bit on that. And I've been newspapers, my Shigara newspapers or Akabanto, Mimanyana Yakilenyam, Nataka Nam Halo, Tanya, Unomianam. I prefer to spend some little time on this. Mahama launches landmark free primary health care. President John Dramani Mahama has officially launched Ghana's free primary health care program, a transformative initiative aimed at advancing universal free access to quality and affordable health care. The program aligns with global efforts towards universal health coverage, ensuring every citizen can access essential care without financial burden. Speaking at the launch, President Mahama emphasized the importance of prevention, early detection, and timely treatment of illnesses. He announced that every Ghanaian is expected to undergo at least one health screening annually to strengthen preventive health care and improve national health outcomes. And the program will establish over 350 container-based service delivery points in high-traffic areas, bringing basic healthcare services closer to the public. Health Minister Kwabena Minta Akando explained that the initiative will cover routine screenings, antenatal and postnatal care, immunizations, and treatments for common illnesses. The program is designed to complement the National Health Insurance Scheme rather than replace it. President Mahama urged Ghanaians to continue using their NHIS cards, especially for higher level care. The initiative is expected to cost 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. 1.2 billion Ghana cedis annually, and will begin in 150 anti-serve districts across the country. Be record to Kokwala and Ododowaji. Ugade, Lamasawana Domia, plus Funo Navado Rokyo, Ajijo Rokyo, Afi Wajivi, Blano Jivi. Dollar kene dollar hola mangoyo yo kete blana mnyanchi odo bota binami plus dobombo gaba immunization. But manchia wo a check miapa vital so abla bona mi ajijin kunami odo kunami beto pa me shaman session primary health care. Blom Magbona National Health Insurance Scheme Kenya Konji Famaki Wana Egali Woko Dagara Dovak Benenchi. Mayaba no Kaka Jeto of your coach, number of Fuga, Ping-pong, if you were for Maka, Okadi de Platoka, go to talk our Manana. Akaya, the Garakata Gobuduko. Would they were Alofa Tom Platon, Rugaba Navato, Rupio. Akrabo ushamu yimia kamuyo to go na po uyuru kaka de miaro fianya birako woje wana goma to wote pa lofa ton bla ton wo gala ha wo chien tu alofa ka bla ton ro boyo ke konji bagbara ke mane alu umatem konji peperemo pomu ba 150 yo champo to comply you globally and here but gotta be sharing na at do pomme konji do pomme never dere ko shire ka preka away le fi manyana usu potole mu manyana suklito le mu manyana ba yiku do mu manyana ba chito do mu manyana bohele mu lokona liko kakoro de wona tu ma shama na ba chije o people na botabia le yo tu plus ko tolara ka ba Jami sebe malaria, ikanyo mugwama beto, ikanyo mugwama basra kra, uba bifia na tu na botabile na tu blo suketo mama gao, magabalo. Dayata, idakuna tu kokola blonchimo. Kai ji blobe, magabe dayata ya magane chai skat kograshu. Kau fego na ka, ukad na nombe, alaba kadma is for secondary issues. Like primary. Mafufulu au jijo kwalo, jifano kwalo, na jivivo na ba iwe no mwenye ebere na kudora lo himari ina kutane kaba anyo udora no kaka na ba ikojia Karla show, Karmana show, all right, so we thank the president for that. Okay, Anyaro Galafia, MPP to O Jack Lacho, Justin Kodia, General Secretary of the NPP of Onjo, Yomachichi Babosumapa. MPP lashes out at arbitrary arrests of members. NPP lashes out at arbitrary arrests of members. NPP to particularly ababo akbaletilaga Justin Kodia Punjo, but hey, Tomoyova. Ale ke wo yo NPP to olem fnyafnyama ever saduna. The opposition New Patriotic Party has condemned the recent arrest of its members, warning that the table will turn soon. The party's leadership expressed outrage over what they perceive as politically motivated arrests. The MPP cited instances where its members were allegedly picked up by law enforcement agencies without due process. The party's national executives have been vocal in their criticisms, urging the government to respect the rights of citizens. In a statement, the MPP emphasized that it will not tolerate such actions and is prepared to defend its members. And I'm quoting, statement signed by Justin Kobia. We will not be intimidated or silenced, the party declared. The government's handling of the situation has sparked concerns about press freedom and human rights. The NPP stance has garnered support from various quarters with calls for restraint and respect for the rule of law. Mirako, me wajidogramio, me umblagramio, me masita gare bogbojinamio, NPP tol Ghana ovunjo, but aleke dunya kwetama sule magbe na yo khamevyo kwalele. Wallow le moike macheso. Wallow balanana manomi. Wallow bon dodro manomi. Agaru wa home. Au funya loloa. Alio belo suto. Alabani o kanye mjijo. Yoko jibo doko dadi ya pyo belo. Subola bebe. Ya futola. Setfotune ya hoyale. Abone no mashi. Ahora para ni para no machine loko ka homa problem ya ba ko da records alo fi ya fi o bel ni o kata nya yu man shi le bon re ya da jiru na nya ba tables with 10 e chocolate enough tables with 10 ne jiji ha choko yo ni tables with 10 amola gbe magbo dun yi na bereka ko do bronze a down here that you will see better. Justin Kobia and PP ruling court Bacho. I shake my head. Court orders AG to take over OSP cases. Court won the baba Attorney General ikene jirudu fasanyalaga ike gakpo povito ba melele prebon yi ji na ho nya yo kala OSP kisi ajabe nya office ye yarodo bawo no tumefio yo ka dudu gao won fitio brasha du kama toto zamu ho banya o bana chunya o OSP to na ko da sine Dr. Ayeni, Attorney General in his office. The High Court in Accra has directed the Attorney General's Department to immediately assume control over all criminal prosecutions currently being handled by the Office of the Special Prosecutor. The court's decision is pending formal authorization from the Attorney General's office. The ruling follows a directive from Justice Samuel A. Mafo, who emphasized the need for the Attorney General's Department to take charge of the cases. The OSP had been handling several high-profile corruption cases, but the court's decision has raised questions about the future of these prosecutions. The Attorney General's Department is expected to provide formal authorization for the takeover, after which the OSP will hand over the cases. The move has been seen as a significant development in Ghana's ongoing fight against corruption. The OSP was established in 2018 to investigate and prosecute corruption and other related offenses. However, the court's decision has sparked debate concerning the role of the OSP. On and on. That's why I got a Attorney General and OSP. O Camaro, Pomala, Wizard, O 50 o Zamu, Platomo, Taka, High Court Plumber, Justice Mafo, your Lord, your Honor, His Lordship, Burn Hoto. Come over, OSP, Tokaya, Ola, Fiat, Toyota, Amaula, Majuju, Plato, Fortivari, Gamadi, Dopoto. What about the budgetary allocation? What about the monies we have been paid? Big monies. Hey, so many cars in his house. Anyway, let's leave that one. All right. Case Starmer stands firm against Trump. Mira Betadu Coleman. Case Starmer stands firm against Trump's trade threats. Magbo, British Prime Minister on Tatarafia, Keir Starmer has declared that he will not yield to pressure from US President Donald Trump, following Trump's threat to alter the terms of the UK-US trade deal. The dispute stems from the UK's refusal to join US and its conflict with Iran, which Keir Starmer, emphasizing that involvement in the war is not Britain's national interest. We have priorities. Keir Starmer, Prime Minister of Great Britain, tells Trump, please, we have priorities. Trump le Europa, what to go on the Great Britain, United Kingdom, never better Iran. Prime Minister, ne Britain, Donald Trump in America to couple up. Hey, we don't have time for that. We have important things. This is not in our interest. America contributes to 14% of world GDP, world output, and only 12% of global trade. America China doesn't go into wars. The last war China fought was in 1979 with Vietnam. The war lasted for only 30 days, and that has been it. America, war. You are looking for partners to come and fight. Go and fight your war, okay, time. Last one. Red Berets prepare for possible Malema jailing. Julius Malema, opposition leader, a forceful opposition leader in South Africa. South Africa, Julius Malema. Tensions are running high among the Red Berets, a militant youth group aligned with South Africa's economic freedom fighters, as their leader Julius Malema faces possible imprisonment. According to the youth command has issued a statement warning of dire consequences should Malema be jailed. The EFP has been a vocal critic of the ruling African National Congress and has been involved in several high-profile controversies. Malema, a charismatic figure, had been a thorn in the flesh of the ANC, and his possible imprisonment has sparked fears of arrest. And I'm quoting the spokesperson of the group. We are ready to spring into action, said Red Beret spokesperson. We will not sit idly by while our leader is persecuted. The group's warning has raised concerns about the potential for violence and instability in the country. Malema has been a polarizing figure in South African politics, known for his fiery rhetoric and uncompromising stance on economic justice. His possible imprisonment has sparked fears of a backlash. All right, Julius Malema, Julius Malema, opposition leader, South Africa, or lead the Pomporo, Moleta, Vonny Bird, Omahia, Ayamo, Jimo, Robert hey, another Conyajo. You'll let Pepper, you'll let Sentry, Yomia John, Demian Chukwa, Malema Demo. Namarebe Yamkuri, Nelle Julius Malema, or Demo. Afi Kalameliori, Yokaga, Abi, Make, Nyang Dela, ne Julius Malema opposition group. All right, I think these are good things happening in the world. Ghana Education Service. A demonstration at AEG. And we'll be discussing that. Chichao, Fialo, Be, Yo, Fiamma, Jimuamandre Sonia, Chiru, Mahafanayo, Ganyao, Bonajamako, Tonaka, Amubu, Vito, Choma, Bad, Deura, and Minister of Education, Monobo, Plato. That is our big story for today. Gaga, Chichao, Nonya, to Copola, Azomo. Tukoklola Asomo. Yes, the president has traveled. There are other priorities that a call Buarama. Wo ina Koklola ye. Tukoklola go Bochia. Ugeshichi. Daima na fian concluo. Miakwa Tukoklola is abroad. Mahama attends Sassou Nguesso's swearing-in ceremony. President John Dramani Mahama has arrived in Brazzaville, the Republic of Congo, to attend the investiture ceremony of Denis Sassou Nguesso, who has been re-elected for a new 5-year term. The president departed Accra after launching his flagship free primary health care program in Dodowa, emphasizing Ghana's commitment to strengthening diplomatic relations and regional cooperation. The ceremony is expected to draw several African leaders, and it marks a significant moment in the region's political landscape. President Sassou Nguesso's re-election is seen as a testament to his enduring influence in Congolese politics. So congratulations, Sassou Nguesso, for a re-election. You're going to serve another 5-year terms in Congo, Brazzaville. Tukoklola le Congo, choyo chodowa yonyawodona konji ka blah primary health care when I cut the monitor, which will be piloted in 150 districts. Brazzaville. Kakanyare le mbe. Choma kata mono nyom bavire mano fifa o Ghana yolo wadi yaka Mahama wadi yaka Mama, that's a big story for today. I will be doing that. Anyway, me the VRCC. Afi ma atro. Volta Regional Coordinating Council. Let's go to Holiday Sports. Whenever, I want to do some little thing from that Volta Tyson brings glory to region. Yes. Volta Tyson, let's get that in now. Volta Tyson brings glory to the region. Volta Tyson. Pariare iganye okodara muja kokodara lumanye aglaja kodara onu. Volta Tyson. No. Nyapa muga ntomechipola wa asamajo. Volta Tyson brings glory to region. Governor Regional Minister, Honorable James Gunu has received Ghanaian professional boxer Xavier Gad, popularly known as Volta Tyson, following his recent international title victory. Gad paid a courtesy call on the minister to officially present his newly won WABA welterweight champion, WABA Supreme Global Super Middleweight title. The boxer, who hails from Ketu South and is based in Agbosume, secured the prestigious belt after a 7-round technical knockout victory over Eliasu Sule on April 4, 2026 at Aborigines Beach Hotel in Kedah. Honorable James Gunu congratulated God for bringing pride and recognition to the Volta region through his remarkable achievement. Gunu noted that God's success is a clear demonstration of the immense sporting talent within the region. The minister further encouraged the boxer and his team to remain focused and disciplined as they continue to raise the flag of the region and Ghana high on the international stage. Volta Tyson, Nia no matata bomile TV aja fuma ye miapa mugantonga. Chipola yema ko bel da ko daro lime. Yama kala fuba a jomi do fu. Yema ka Volta Tyson. Yema na ha. Ngejo wa de ko. De kaji a cho busuma busumi fiji ikenye bo fi aba de amujaka ko bonare na kata kayo de ko adu Eliasu Sule every ofiani guji remata ojo bereti alo Bobo, that one, you go, victory, Jiru va jeshe Beretima, Bajama, you can, regional minister, accordingly. Ever to Giant of vie, Ntapo Bonama Shamba Mokata de boss in a party. No, kata the coco. No, no Duva, Alova, what they call in sports. So that's sport for that sports. All right. WABA, West WABA. I've been looking for this man. WABA. What is that? Anyway, I'll get that one and I'll get back to you. I like to learn. Miss Orengo. I put up Nichi a water comaho to my chuchu, Mia, Keremia, chuchu. Remember TVG and Yellow, Tony McBoy, Papa 7 million, Tony McBoy, Pommy, and ye, the Suquaji, and ye, let that than a woman. Ka, the Bugania, my throat to me. I hope that's a cabaro, chu, Mukalama, Benamia, or I, Miasorango, Ajo, Yaro, Lucan, Yajojo, Shishio, Yajojo, Black Auto, Zuhachi, Yashishon, Chachana, Yapayabala, Kataji. I am tired. Teacher breaks down. Evinora Fabi. Oh, no ni ba po koko trot ma mi video ma ko ga mi akona ko ga. Ka ngenya ma ba chicha o yoku o ba tem jimbo bora jim ma fa na yo. O fa ko ba o kham na teacher non civil dans le polo kan na fi o khana yo. That's a big story for us today. JPRTU gara kaka go kula ha bobo if you go mo jakoni be la ba jirudu eni ajokaro alo anipashi to ajoka didi ma hanye na ne ka mima ku gaba na bogani ka court orders Attorney General to take over OSP prosecutions. This is confusing. As a Kaje OSP non dero, afino I'm open in the court. As Sebu Bukaji High Court non dero, afi Babomba Attorney General take over OSP. But as ka sere kakwe English mom no sauro a road the Francais blah I don't know. We'll be doing that conversation. All right. Oyaba military garland gonanta, machomi, ano, nyapa, nyajobano, akba, banto, majumi. Kana gadi gringo, ahodo machuchu. Kana trova, nyasorengwe. What way? Lahu. Figuraba poly, alo technical university de Kaku Lahu, ya Yemini. Fuga hostel in Yetapa. On a Yabako, garage Fuga hostel. La Gemiata, our Natolo Pini. A Guejo, La Blava. Alors, ça répond le photo, sauf un yellow. Alamachi, Bedala Rena Yellow to woman. You very me apostle. I'll look at data. Plus 2332426707773. You know, my Kajana Tayo Mille. Ah, Fito Finami, Chunya Jojo, Nataka Karishareji. Nenana Jim, Jiba manager television, Jiba manager teleji qua, Yomi. Never Yadoro Blimi, Yakberemianchi, Yakberonanchi, Alaba, Yakbadu. Yachahi kakata number man na your number all right, business analyst. OSP heads to Supreme Court over stripping of its prosecutorial powers. Yeah. OSP heads to Supreme Court over stripping of its prosecutorial powers. Kisi ajabe Jiru domaga ke le do va to he are yi ke amega o lem alo he o lem ham mekunglu to to ayo ke o shire duka ke jo be go George are ke nya controller mafu re bebe kabato West General she ba nyam chine atoni cha ke jiru fese nya aka ba o pro ko na mo o nya oji ambacho nyaka glomile Dankwa Institute Info Analytics Toba Maga Be Criminals rejoice. The nation bleeds. Fiatio Jijobom Dunya Gela Fiatio Jijobom Kaka Jirudua Ghana to Kokata Fifam Alabe Nano Jim Yumamu Kosa. OS Pinoro which your webato. Many blue. Info Analytics Toba Tomaga. Enya the versus survey na kisia japia le kisia jabe logo ye konya ko de vota bom Supreme Court what them kunya no we don't agree you want to take my job right talking about free care at your doorstep. Mahama launches free primary health care to complement NHI. So we spoke about that. Mahama le batakari monefia yes. Free primary health care to provide financial protection, expand access health minister. Government cuts fuel cost burden temporarily. Joykavaya Mr. Bafia Jiru, Ridi, Amiba, Achogakala, Mia Didi, Vashia, Agadi, or something like that. Minamama Sugar, Nanya Tobaro. Wamina Kando Bablumbo. Free healthcare mio kataro ko yo plus ube garanti ko tukuna to come view Daily Democrats. Mahama does it again, delivers free primary health care. Free primary health care is trend over here. And Mahama does it again to Corporal Lafia. Mahama 24 economy Mahama. Kudos to Mahama. Kafu na Mahama. NPP guru under fire over Krogo insult. NPP Magari Lafia over I'm not sure about that. All right. Probe encroachment on school land. Haruna petition. Odomra Haruna Bobo. Suwan Baro ke ma amo preparo yoga gamro. Napunya Magona. IGP promotes them officers after anti-robbery operation. Demagovito Lefia. IGP Abonga le povito katale kana glogo toma gachichi tete yohun ado promotion ado povito le temare ngolo da karabotano de karakajino de karaka fortugino alabanka Ado biado que le tout la chibre officier. Wa tout ma kamera no bogo tout o boji o krakatare blogo. Remata promotion for them. Medical Trust Fund deepens health partnerships. All right. Daily Democrat in Barmanco. Supreme newspaper. High Court restrains IOCO from maintaining wanted declaration against directors of Sesi Edem Company Limited. Magbo Remora Chaug Yi Bliba the Banajefia. Over not the Cabato now in Sesi Edem Comiga to Blubber Company, Blubber Tomago Yomba, they are wanted. We are looking for what do you mean? All right. Government killing local farmers with imports and not done pray exposes NDC. The sound of so that Bahamira and people talk about them pray. Can you back on blood? Can you no to Motorica? You can have what day and Mokata and Pipiama, the sort of Bahama. Jiro do where I buy a domino to put out to come and a number. America de la Cata, the Ghana, Washington, it's right here. MPP condemns arrest of Baba Amando, alleges political persecution and judicial outrage. Baba Amando, one of the Talefia, Sunani is top communication officer, Jam Delaga, na MPP. Enya Pariareka, Deli, Polipo, Ram Tone to Koklola, Shipanke Kira Mone, Alabo, the Katanquira Mkujine, Aro Wigine, oh, my baby, Mahama, Mahama. Ole padia ko preva bomjo o rimande when the trova no kubito ko poter ka homano ka koshara ka ya trova no ma ja ko ni we o ja ko me papa mando be we'll be back, I will be back, I'll be stronger, better, I'll be back. Ke pito be hey to kopla nke mi ma wana mi ba na do da kwa kufa do klo ba me ngaka be masako. You know what? Atashona ko me jujo yo mechichi Chibi or Chebi hosts 104th Presby session. MP commends church legacy. Chebi hosts 104th Presby session. MP commends church legacy. Hamamagan yo kele Presby hanchi. O Baba Granyarom le Chebi. Enya alofare kalia alofare kalia enelia ke embibe hayare mi tapompa na yufos Magdan Foundation RIDNE partnership drives hope of 7,000 women. That's another tutorial. All right, Business and Financial Times. Business and Financial Times. Hey. Balabanga VIP Energy Minister, business leaders to chart Africa's future at Ishmael Yamson and Associates Business Roundtable in 2026. All right, Mako Vice President Professor Nana Jane Obokwa Jimakono Tatarafia Mako, Dr. John Jinapo, Minister for Energy and Petroleum Tatarafia Mako Sesam Jonah, Executive Chairman for Jonah Capital Afia, Mako Raf Mupita, President and CEO of MTN Group, Ralph Mupita, Gamwa Gai Tola Ralph Mupita, Mako Professor PLO Lumumba, Pan-Africanist and legal scholar, Professor PLO Lumumba, Amagbedi Bedi Olefia, Wo Tapakwe, Manoge, Wainoge, Ade, Adam Joe, Africa, Bertome. Yeah, Minya Africa, Bakugira. Roads, Idomo. Roads, infrastructure, Sugo, Conjo, you don't know Africa's problem. Internet penetration, network connectivity, Bimenya, don't you know Africa's problem? Waste, sewage disposal, you don't know Africa's problem. Do you need professors like this to know Africa's problem? Yo, me, Yabapum, Yagabo. Overhaul sovereign debt framework, BOG, Governor urges IMF. Overhaul sovereign debt framework, BOG, Governor urges IMF. Porta Gadarupa Nolaga, Dr. Esiama, Ababrona IMF very. No book, no, you're not in your control for Google, you are total for you. You to come sovereign debt. Isiama calls for urgent global reforms as Africa faces slower growth outlook. Isiama ikenya dukola uta gajaro kwa amaka gapo from Africa can see a moment in Africa, man. You don't produce and you are not serious. America 24-hour economy, that is the way. America 1 district, 1 factory is the same. Is the same. 1 district, 1 factory, my will. 24-hour economy in Yachon. Don't you know Africa's problem? Produce, export to the world, make money from the world, bring to your hometown. So that people from the world can also see us as an attractive business and tourist destination. This is Africa's problem. Well, how do you choke? I'm a drover. I'm a papa mama. You get it, I'm out of yami. Don't make boy yami and come in a cashity yamu.
And show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joel.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you cái tụi quỷ. Ta nhớ chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vài những worms, bất lực killer.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm, những mà thằng mắt thùng, mà nó chỉ có vô cùng.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukonya gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontan nya nukura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Mà nó chỉ có vô nó biết luôn.
Vai batakanyo subo. Ita mi ga dade se kremon tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto fira.
Ire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo pong jeje.
Vola chika no no pla. Na zama. Fiva na na kama furaga na. Mashama na zin.
Nyapa to wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to. Ona wala masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola efiva law akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domadu le fuda now achite padaka ufuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wakuto wofukame wofukame tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hoppo wie vo
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joel.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you cái tụi quỷ. Ta nhớ chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vài những worms, bất lực killer.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm, những mà thằng mắt thùng, mà nó chỉ có
Fua me gonla le poma bada ba tue manya Fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoi. Fuwa mewo nekpo ma bada batoi menyela. Fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoi. Punya mentoli khafi melak befuk pemula. Nama bola moji na bermadi cava obo. Umalona namo de. Utakwenya ba mavaho gade le yegosi. Utakwenya ba mavaho nundudu le obola. Fuwa mewo nekpo ma bada batoe. Mava susuba maji semi jade no kukumula. Na mauliko nyaka madunu matu khofela. Memano amasi dope nyawe sao. Fuwa mewo nekpo ma bada batoe. Fuwa mewo la nekpo ma bada batoe menya. Fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoe. Punya mentoli khafi melak befuk pemula. Nama bola moji na bermadi cava obo. Umalona namo krola. Utakwenya ba mavaho gade le yewosi. Utakwenya ba mavaho nundudu le obola. Fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoe. Mavaho susuba majimze mi jade no kukumula. Na mauliko nyaka madunu matu khofa. Memano amasi dope nyawe sao. Fuwa mewo la nekpo ma bada batoe. Mavaho susuba maji semi jade no kukumuse. Na mauliko nyaka madunu matu khofa. Memano amasi dope nyawe sao. Fuwa mewo la nekpo ma bada batoe. Fuwa mena la nekpo ma bada batoe menya. Fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoe. Fuwa mewo nekpo ma bada batoe menya. Sewa fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoe. Fuwa mewo la nekpo ma bada batoe menyela. Fuwa me nekpo ma bada batoe. Fuwa mena la nekpo ma bada batoe menya abla. Fuwa me nekpo ma bada batoe.
Bati bi dunya khabaji fiawe mi dana dunya ma mi pona kawanye na jojo yo khabaji mi abo ya boloji mi ba pasha ba jembe mi abashina ke mi politician so ke afi politician so ke le boyina grejia matung cha nyar ka waro yo ke nye enyayo ke le miapo ya boloji choma elika enya ma baba ikacho NDC to duma mamo pomne ba wa grejia le militi kwa roma be ke mi be en bibiton ha me wo jomba wa agere miaji alaba mia wona ta mia azorengo paper de ka varo le mia bo yoga mi jibe mia to mi cha afi mia pa mo na agere miaji the dispatch. Mahama cautions against late night eating as Ghana tackles NCD crisis. Mahama cautions against late night eating as Ghana tackles NCD crisis. That is one story we have from the Dispatch. 6 leading members battle to be national chairman of the MPP. Who wins? National chairman and all right, Professor Jane, a very good chance of winning 2028 elections for NDC. PNP good. All right, over Professor Nana Jenny, Kenya Vice President, Adam Azu, flag bearer, flag bearer, Nami, NDC. All right, IGP promotes 7 police officers after deadly anti-robbery operation. IGP promotes 7 police officers after deadly anti-robbery operation. IGP Tateogonu do Ovidomo Varengo, Dekara, Apotano, Dekara Kajino, Alawa, Oyirengo. That's the Dispatch. Okay, Nyako, the Supreme newspaper, very quickly. High Court restrains Iyoko from maintaining wanted declaration against directors of Sesi Edem Company Limited. All right, so that's the main story over here. Government killing farmers with imports. We have that the MPP condemns arrest of Baba Amando and Chebi hosts 1/4 Presby session. Okay, over Mikbo Mara Hogo. Okay, Mikbo archives quickly. Archives. The archives. High Court orders Iyoko to withdraw wanted notice against Council of State member Dr. Kwamika Atople and Sesi Edem directors. All right, and topic the carry Majiwa Honorable Elikem Choma Geremianjia Geremianto but Albon Robocco Domatorica, Adebaba, Yoko to Yuka Jiruba Tobeka Kuna, Amoka Sana, Uber, Dog, Alo, Uber, Ashicha, Muko, Finao, no Alofina, Yao, go from the Comicato play. You can Mabugan Tome for Council of State member, Dambola Ghana, Jiru, Puerto Cocola, Atople, the Kajima Tople, Chocota Genafia, Ogo Blumber, Amame, Guma, Remonacha, but Dogo Blumber, Yoji. But no, you don't have to do that. But you don't have Yoji. Come on, remove that. Okay, Vapo chief linguist declared wanted. Vapo chief linguist. Ochamiga ne Vapo to Oehajim Elefia. Vapo. All right, Vapo, yeah, Vapo. 3 busted for cocaine. 800,000 in cash seized. 3 busted for cocaine. 800,000 in cash seized. Ola moment don't over no tata baji mafnade cocaine shichacha da. All right, 228,000 rent. 70,000 salary claims against NLA Force. Okay, but go National Authority to talk Domagalifia, but Yama Gomulo got 228,000 Banoko Hofatuni NLA boss, plus 70,000, Beniva salary for to 70,000 alone. It's not true. All right, we hope that all whatever I said is true. Medical trust fund strengthens partnerships ahead of rollout. That's another story about it. Let's be quick on that. The National Enquiry, just a quick one. NPA extends anti-fuel siphoning campaign to Kumasi. NPA extends anti-fuel siphoning campaign to Kumasi. Mahama, free primary health care to complement NHIS, not replace it. Western Regional House of Chiefs honors Ama Kofi Buya. And government moves to consolidate responsible cooperative mining with NDF GGSA partnership. All right. So that's what we have about the Enquirer. Quick one. Let me sort of go. The Searchlight. Stop attacking our men. MPP accuses government of political victimization over arrest of communicator Baba Amando. All right. Justin Kodia Frimboy, General Secretary. Balajika NPP Kata Legaraboba. Mejujo Furere Bamu. Belashi Baba Amando. You will not put fear in us. You will not gag us. High Court strips OSP of prosecutorial powers. Elefia, the topic Rekaka Jogamiala, Nemi Garagam Jujume. Mipo Kisia Japan of Taglafia, Kenya special prosecutor. High Court, but Nashaya cover Nayo, go to Attorney General. All right, we will pay you back in 2029. Justin Kodia signals political payback as MPP accuses NDC of state harassment. Justin Kodia, but tables with 10. Tables with 10. All right, let's look at the daily guide. Just a quick one. Daily guide, and one more. We'll be done with this session. Stop state-sponsored harassment. MPP to government. Galifia still. Interior Ministry imposes curfew on Karaga. Gushegu Karaga Ntome. Muhammad Mubarak Muntaka, where Dobo Baker Bona Bovito Banyaji, Urosha Mujiba, Nogara Homer, Omnoni Kaba, Umaga Funkaba, Kefima, Lobo, Garden, Chavabana no Homer, Kadel Bashana your home. I'm a bloke who I'm a young gamma do for a Bodomian Beron. OSP has no power to prosecute high courts. OSP has no power to prosecute High Court. We still have that police seized 22 slabs of cocaine and 400,000 cedis in narcotics bust. Girl 4 dies from sexual assault. Girl 4 dies. Girl 4 dies. Girl 4. I don't understand. Girl 4. Last one, the Chronicle. Final nail in OSP's coffin. Anti-corruption body stripped of prosecutorial powers, but Ajabin vows Supreme Court battle. Final nail in OSP's coffin. Wokle Katagbaje Biroma Mleto. The Kisia Jabe or Aka Nchi Otri Gong Topia Ube Elabe High Courts. You can have one proper Gana Joe Baji, Kisia Jabe Makakonya Koto, Ube Akonyara, Ekokoto, Attorney General. Kisia Jabe Imanoko, Yaide, Otabon, Alabo Tronyama, or Troy Berma, Betatu. All right, traditional. Prince gripe over revocation of McDan aviation license. All right, so that's that way. That's all we have about it for the Chronicle. Unam Plemonia Pipiare, Batonia, Mike Baleta, Bibi Banto. Woe to those who scheme iniquity, who work out evil on their beds. When money comes, they do it, for it is in the power of their hands. Babana vola block barabaro. This is the scripture we have for today, and it speaks to the OSP, it speaks to prosecution or persecution or whatever. Tony Magoya Maglom, Mahodo Chupiare, Macbe, yeah, I'm Toke Calabonia, Alicia Miachu now.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Ibadah kuilam romo, kakek tu pui. Katanya cuma traditoy. Uvonye womza kule kele.
Oh.
Nenuma fafam. Nemaka tengma tumu. Mano chiko. Wobulo.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukone gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile no namfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya fa no fa si bani ko wi wontam nya nfura mu a. Bola fa si ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ku no e plolo.
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita bi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa wusielo weto sina.
Me yire vola to gbo. Ye me no chika ko me kpong jeje.
Vola chika no no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miaƒe dodɔwɔwɔ le dzotofita ita nye zã vola chika mia dometɔ aɖewo hã woze vola chika ƒoƒo dzizi le eme.
This Vola pikin. Vola baby.
Mawu na yi ɖe vola tɔwo ɔnawo la mesẽ.
Vola pachika la chike dzraƒewo katã alo geɖewo ƒe dɔyɔƒea me le aƒulawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔ le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔƒoea geɖewo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local restaurant tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memli ɖe agbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola.
Nina ne miayi, vola eva senta. Afima mia pota yo le, nya deba vola. Efi valo, akuluri le fude now, alele le fude now, domaru le fude now. Echi de padaka, ofuto makata, mele tomo nyidewa. Eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba senta. Ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu kame wa wofuto wofukame ofukame tutu dokada Vola Heba Center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo.
Oh mau fike ole ye nu barabara ole cho yojo bolu pomi Pola bonu kakani gakemi Fike ole ma we fike ole ma mbe fike ole ma
Yo mia kon ko mi da pana mi be mi wo de kaple mi le mia ko nyam jo ple nshona ike ya jile ba ti biji toni ma ko nya pa da na mi ya ba am ko to ya de le bone ike ma la fiami na nya mo jo ike nya honorable elik chama bo weso yo choy ka va ya ti chao ba yo doji kura ci ruanci yo ba sem ci bibile yo ma la ba yo fiemu amaro ko bo fiemu ci mo ma wi Anderson enya wo ma khafa na yo ka o jojo chala cho le again by the Ministry of Education na takakaro ba rofma krao roshioji povito roshioji plato Onyaro ra mi ko video aro onya fino village mano obo yo fiam ko ka pa ji wonya o yi ji bloba yo ba sama la bloba ba ji ru a khafane nesiso alo don ti ko ra kan kina fi omo yo ba do yo ko na yo omo chi to ma ji bi mi akra nya ma ka mi ba ko video ma ale ke ji bi ma yi ji afine mi trova mi ajo nyome Mia dada GBC wawewo wanama bikwera mia tromia
Mama, I'm sorry, no, make your show. But you can just go to Ghana. You Ghana inside. Make you come take on our leg. Now, you know. Mama, I'm sorry, no, make your show. But you can just go to Ghana. You Ghana inside. Make you come take on our leg. Now, you know. Mama, I'm sorry, no, make your show. But you can just go to Ghana. You Ghana inside. Make you come take on our leg. Now, you know. Mama, I'm sorry, no, make your show. But you can just go to Ghana. You Ghana inside. Make you come take on our leg. Now, you know. Mama Tree and Comanche, I'm sorry, no major show. But you can just go to Ghana now. They Ghana inside. Make it come take on our leg. Now you know. Mama Tree and Comanche, I'm sorry, no major show. But you can just go to Ghana now. They Ghana inside. Make it come take on our leg. Now you know. Mama Tree and Comanche, I'm sorry, no major show. But you can just go to Ghana now. They Ghana inside. Make it come take on our leg. Now you know. Mama Tree and Comanche, I'm sorry, no major show. But you can just go to Ghana now. They Ghana inside. Make it come take on our leg. Now you know. Mama Tree and Comanche, I'm sorry, no major show. But you can just go to Ghana now. They Ghana inside. Make it come take on our leg. Now you know.
Yo, mi apon kola mi da konami, be hoji borinami. Mi ba o ashito tromo. Yama ko pe ye ka ya kala bonya. Rabo kabila kuma o bonya wezo. Yo, nya banto kala mi a she yama mi kata report bi aji. Akoba chichao o de wo chibibi fia chidua cho kabai. Oba mahama o di ka mema. Be mahama bu fole na ma o chunkone Jojala eko jo cho ikaba chichawa yo film robo film jimwa mami Anderson umhafana yo da ojo oja go cho Brassport le settle cho ozo buka kaba the Minister of Education cho fuma bakari wodo chief Debra Bocho bakari ta yema kpome mile afuma yema mi kpome abati bioji NDC to ba ko nka ko fialika ye committee ga kafi wa garma ma da boma ofia mi wezo yo fruta mi ole da yo mari all right alika enyala nyabro yo menyaba jo nyaba jiru ntapo mi seni bejiba ntapo plateau wa aleko ga je confia strike demonstration distraction or workers have power to bring government to power and to bring a government out. So, what's your reaction to this?
Yo, I do believe in that TV Kolakata. They descend the outward and more than ever in that TV venue saying that too. When we are already let to come. First of all, do believe in this Tokata, never be honorable Potosu. Job ever present a tractor at least to help farmers in the constituency or the municipality. We are grateful. So we have MC, the regional minister, yes. So this morning, we're not as the communicate about us being nationalistic on this issue. And we probably the week over the years are striking now over the few photo and over the Bosole to comment. And then many of the NDC governments since 1992, Emilia for independence, Koye Kabal Fifia, workers' agitation, plethora, LG, and demands of Ballet Bosso. And at the end of the day, it demands of Ballet Bosso, government chef will be coffers well, and also tact the maton address every demand, I have concern with that. I just find the ways and means to manage the bit by bit also fide there and then me to teach out to many past administrations of it demonstrations to acquire me from various public institutions, government agencies or and we witness demonstration. Yes, so not to say that any encouraging, energy because teacher the most important role to play in nearby community, nearby villages way. And then some of them even to get to over stations where so many miles were put off with the Piabado. Experience when you national service in Quanta, everyone called those days village inside and middle inside. And everyone go at that time, there was no light, there was no portable drinking water like a chimney. Light menu, and yet we have teachers there. The view mode, the I also accepted the man of my even though in the metro is a light power, and you go post remember in the FIMA, and yeah, I have to accept. And from Inquanta to village, even means of transport to the junction, because the village, but it wasn't easy. But we have teachers there who manage to sacrifice where you are not feeling Afia, and it's just sad that I mean, I know from my Afian for so many years or months, salary man of a hour, and therefore, I don't feel the method. I know Namma national privilege, like our managing, like our company, those who know you, Parliament, already like our It's a challenge over the period me overlook a lot even priority to concerns yet me vale priority na enu ya heme nyenu kemia na definani kake the human lives are low and make me to come a view better me priority. So teachers going through a lot. As we speak, there's a backlog of teachers at home. And your basis time complete 2022. Up to now, in talking who were Bravo portable on 2022, but of 4 years. And Gabo call you the school or so it's a challenge. As a country, we need to really sit up and see how we prioritize some of these things. Because you go out, there are still communities where you teach our menu. One teacher in the class, even in this whole municipality, I saw something like that. Teacher, they call the class, there's vacancy. On here, we are employed teacher, we are one family. If you beg Gaki, him are going to an hour. Menu. So, the menu, if we have to think outside the box and see how best at least me prioritize. Me a teacher, me a fear me, then me a doctor, play professors, or engineer, where then we need to prioritize them. So demonstration in H2, yes, many people because a dollar move a more of feedback and and then no command Chama assure teachers over me government. It's a listening government. And after the demonstration, we said yes, government is giving priority to this issue. And we are very sure that within the coming days, what was annually to government law in regards to this particular concern. Yes, so for 17 months, let's show the NBC government power, but we won't say that because they may attribute it back to anybody, because over the years, that's what happens. The good thing is the NBC government, the listening government, priority now this very issue, so that some of these concerns were clear agitations where the labor space are adding to be the Ghana Tower, play teacher or and also treat the education minister treat the education minister at least so far, we have a lot of teachers at home. And the quota of the 7,000 now, I feel too small. Because every time I report a project within some 6 hours, about 40,000 people that we register. So you can see that there are a lot of people still not trying, but because the 40 are not reached, they're not able to access the portal and register. So for us, we are call on government, at least the 7,000 is not enough. The available awareness security services one. At least no fine means a waste possible there. Why increase the 7,000 to at least a sizable number? But out of the 40, if it's 20 grand for now, I think they are out of it.
Apa yo nyakon kola alikem chama buo poema iseka manao honorable Kadika but ihana ko minti atora fi miako do chuchu no ko gashikere mitroba miaso no honorable here
yo apa meja mon popo ya dugbe na bati bola okata le MPP junior ha me no la okata mi apa executive mejibe ma adejibune kana to nyapenu fialao be ejimeka de loku ela be mo popole be ne onlati eye ose ejibe bema ana aje azuyeye meta pene no finye elikem chebe nukuta egbenye zigbanto elikan kunu pofa kle Ghana to po mesepo mekareji be anone ne mada ele antepeme menye enuye yedeke biato NDC junya he hasi milo menuye yedeke bia milo openu gbedodori eya ko bia mile be no one open gbedodoji obe yo fa kle Ghana to opposition eye esime amono demonstration wa andananado NDC o faklo eye o benefit o demonstration maome o capitalize on them ya o win power ya o kosi America o interview chokevai le demonstrators o me ebe ile dowa pere ka le ti ade le ti de ka perfect ko kana ipo ame anodowa pwedeka letia ade last year o dare electricity this year ame match eleke this year January o gada 9% leji eleke eleko feke elenudu alebe water bill nusianu ko anonufia month after month kaka 1.5 year ko leti de kape fotu wa kana wa mekanaji be nenye be wento o me allergy level wa awanu bebele ta ma akoko ne NDC play Ghana jirudua be wa akpogo be yofa premier pen teacher education ayanye the backbone of every country. Business leaders, technocrats, politicians, without education, nare kemele adamwa le unkufu bikeke yame pe wa adejiwe without nebi adagbele ntokranche without education adefunawe ta be mi ape educators we enye teachers o wa anonufia o man of etuke na wa abado tepere o megale jiko gba kofia nu eye abado tepere kura ne mekpo nyire wa isko pepepe aba sign premier me tunu odole wude elebene netore class fe nkume ya no nuku. So these are some of the challenges. Launch free primary healthcare alebe obe focus ebe wa prevent dolelo hafi wa ajamu jikura go han ta dodogbo anoji na mo pleto alebe efekekere mi abedo walawa is part of free. It should be part of free primary healthcare. Nukata nemele fekena mio efe la mien ami donu bana pele dowa pressure la mieji ami eve BP naturally akọ ami abudame a overthink nubu atan docho nu maome ta na yebe mi ave focus eya yebe mi a prevent dolele ave waje amoji and President John Dramani Mahama kanu gbogbo ka fena dowala o chele dodonu ka o ma butamo eye obe BP mako eye wa koji akọwa done jukoya ewanku be jukola me sesen na me de gale Ghana egbe ya obejuko me me sesen wa ka eja be mele jukoya mo juko me sesen aminya oleji ne aminya ofenya yijikwa ehuke tobulo na mi avendu jokopo me kovena na mimi plena yo je amizan le ta no long dovea wa charge san no charge la egami obede wa transfer kondo wa according to prices weji ta na onya dala mijiko bodo fe yiji ko ndu duo full staff fe asti oche oyiji ta ne mi abedo wala amode school qualification la aussi eye ole dowa yina perfect ya omele fekena wa mekareji be enye na de kipe jukoya ehia be nya treat with agency ela be na menye sigbo a ke miavio pe choma mekanji be ano affected eye mano affected le monui to de kenu ano affected negatively ele go priority na last year amana ponu dada kude dikoklola John Dramani Mahama play cabinet ministers do be na ipo a yakan do pagbela amema okwedale TikTok ole odemo I think that was 7 years. This year, enu mesesena melale gbegbe ever fee atike be akot dagbele yan todoko atike 60 Ghana cedis ole odemo ta melemo ko be NDC per ngbe ya ko do be ne you have a fight corruption. No fight corruption. Ne omega no gbogbole do wala we gamelio ameya opele Ghana ga ofi fo glonami le opposition bene yova you have a cloid bonu adro bonu plo wa ko nu ye ofi le majemaje dia wa ko le osi wa tere fi fiekpa o ma ko wan si la America si no ko wan si la America si de o ma ko akọ kefe ne mi abedo wala wa Ora, Echo reports corner Minister for Justice and Attorney General Dominic Ayeni. Evidence most of them are not something that they can prosecute. The FIB Oranto Fedowa Egede Achievement. The NDC Malaya Demetonamio. No fight corruption. I'll make a pro over a figanaga. No organaga. Mejime mi no sebe egamelio. Egamelio kaka ole nuowo. Kwa abobo ya kemito ya populela. Ome manufacture ole Ghana ole. O pula abobo ya for free primary health care. Ye play epe nuo. Kaka ole $10 egamelio. O pula presidential jet. O don presidential jet. Play military helicopter so nare go don benemi opposition be yo ma wa go bele o play ka college shinemi be egamele wa ka fene do wala o luka glomile ole ko glo vi o mare ole no ma le nuowo this from last year vado eyi kememele nu fo fifi la NDC do over 11 billion Ghana cedis. Ogbon opposition be nanado echo to koko debt me efeme alegbegbe. All right on that momentum, that campaign message ya oko tuji. Oyo chovale odoko pe ewa mekebe menyabo dore inava nava wanu mekuku odo 11 billion Ghana cedis. $11 billion. Egale Doko over commission over was shortcutting a big push. Aya kwena leke pe maglobe ole wawa pele underway penye something that they promise of significance. Aside that, omele na deke wo no yo pe te obe yo ma walo opposition wa yo over the lebukoji. Eye over the presidential jet. Over the military helicopter so over le numbu buowo ya da sire mi abendo wala eke no wa glo be gamelewa menye be gamele be nya eke o efia be NDC mele vevade ke sekpede mi abendo wala osi o anye o le veve se pede mi abendo wala osi eye o le mi avio be chome mu bupo a mekare jibe no post do walale eyane health worker eyane teacher eyane engineer whatever mechanic by within 2 to 3 months la eleba amman let the play ever salary or with any other arrest elabe teacher or play health worker so especially a member wa me venemi di ko play wa mekaji begba jukoya mepe choma abu eye mi on doche ne mi nya o mi abu mi apagbe ta mele pole jukokrola John Dramani Mahama no be ne na be mi avio pe choma ma bu ne mi avio pe choma bu de fm make ne teacher oda ke jukoya ma mekaji be beregadba mia akefie eye efia anye fevesese akpe
yo nyapa nkolo ba empati bi pa nyamancho wona anya ajimka nyamako to ke ko nkomie sefia nye honorable Kadiga yo mia zorango ma jibe mia ako anyare kare ikanye enyanwi are ka bacho ikanye dedele ashiji alo ami pashiji alo ajoga yenyi ke blogger megale kaka machiwe miakwe mchucho ke bonyeva ma mia atomo chachacha ala we yi menu no na ma yi do bachina chitere nchine ko pressure bana na ita miako comment ka ba ro da +233 242 670 773 your number I guess I mean +233 242 670 773 me ko me ejujimo ta uko le nige ne be agbora we pireko ever. All right, peace do message yaram. Good morning. Who caused this? Voting has consequences. Who caused this? And we are talking about striker, hello, demonstration. Let's call it demonstration. Okay. All right. So thank you for that message. Okay. Good morning to you. A message, Rashai. But did you hear teachers wailing under MPP government about non-payment of salaries or wages? How is this happening so quickly? All right. I'm not sure, but maybe the answer will come. All right. Tina, the message now to for doing. But sad, please, someone should listen to them and pay them, please. It's not funny. Good morning to Elikem. He spoke as a patron. All right. Oh, Elikem, politics. All right. Okay. Esinam, good morning to Esinam. I will send a message. Thank you. All right, teachers. I have been certified teacher all my life. There is something I learned at UCC when KB Dixon was the vice chancellor, and it works very well. Just apply it and the government will hurriedly pay you. This is it. If they pretend to pay, you also pretend to work. Don't tell the government that they are going on strike. Just go to school one Monday morning, sign in. After 5 minutes, you all complain that you are sick and sign off to go to hospital. At the hospital, request for 4 days sick leave off. Report to school on Friday, but feign sickness and don't teach. Let the children play outside all day. If you don't hear anything good about your immediate payment, repeat the same method the following week. Let this go on for 4 weeks and see if government will not pay you. Method ya samina. Merekukulo, merekuku. Kufara kuklombe. If the government, if government pretends to pay, the people will pretend to work. So kufano nyamablo. So I will not be surprised. Many bala rekawakula alo kufuesi cho vice chancellor, but vice chancellor si cho kufoko. Akamira kuku maraka songa blo. Ali owea enyo dukoplo la mi kwesebe agbom tebe. Ame okata if you understand photography o chobon na onya be mi owe cha no be instability le to come and one do yen then to allow omujijo pomma. Yeah, so let's show to Marxism, Leninism, aspect of workers bring down government. You can be rest assured on that. Sure. So yes, so you encourage government here to settle. You encourage you put the government to kaka The crazy boy, Mama, and you can you so let me go by who a man super. I'll name you joke if you got that. It's too much. So let's think about the children. All right. So, but I appreciate your message. Okay, Joe. Okay, I'm already don't you yeah, good morning. That suggestion is bogus. Well, we don't all right, see your message. But yeah, that's no problem. That's no problem. I'm already hey, wow. Me na kuku bisa mi onto me abonko I'm already going to Cecilia Dapa. Yeah. Don't come. All right. So, good morning to you, Tony. Great show. We really appreciate this new revolution you are causing on television. I appreciate you for recognizing that. And my team is good as well, so you should know that. And they are prioritizing menstrual pads for school girls as if the state asks anyone to give birth. And they are prioritizing menstrual pads for school girls as if the state asks anyone to give birth. How could government be so insensitive and no, that's an insult. Don't use any F word here. Insensitive at the same time. But I don't understand. Menstrual pad I know, but no for hygiene for Mukoya. Over Sukuvia Road on Ashani, but there's no high school no boarding house. Sukuvia Road on Ashani, I'm a road choice in Pijikra, who are a and so I don't know. Okay, no, I will give you opportunity to respond to that. I will not do anything. So just take note of the points. But I'm just telling you, but you want to go for menstrual pad. If you have a camel, a school show or superior Talimakra, after you do, like when I'm not like 17 CD, 15 CD, Tamaro, tissue, toilet roll, a mama roast toilet, you know, I want to teach her what I was saying, a mama yaki that's comedy. Teacher no go mama tell you so go na she be cash up for me I break up. So I think we should have so much respect for women. I don't think this is an issue about politics. And I'm not also saying they should be spending so much. I didn't say that. Please, respectfully. All right, Mia Zorengo. Let me just take two more of this. Okay, Votanas. I love enter Ibrahim Mahama. Mama's pocket at Bole, you no see anything yet. I don't understand. If you have a car. Okay, last one. I don't understand. Okay, just last message. I'm looking for a good message. Okay. Part of message I'm trying to right? Thank you. Teachers have been paid. This is only a group of them, not all teachers. They finished college in 2022, but were not posted. When, that's an effort, I don't like that. When they saw that elections were approaching in 2024, then they quickly posted them. Bedding. Okay, I'm not going to teacher or post last minute. Teacher onya o desukwa o qualifier o yidoma o doma. This is what it is. It's not about whether government posted last minute or not. Were there vacancies? Actually, people in newspaper, there are 30,000 classrooms without teachers. Independent research, 30 class 1, class 2, class 1, 30,000 classes. So even if they were posted last minute to win election or to create bedding for the new government, the question is, are they competent teachers posted to classrooms verifiable by CISOs or Ghana Education Service? Can they verify that they are working? So please, some of these things are belong NDCMPP. Let me stop here. Quick reactions, 2 minutes each. Honorable Elikem.
Yeah, so I think that's fine. And then look, I made a comment about the part for Yakui one can be there. Because of the experience in service being a remote community. And school viewer and some of them lady teacher, no plan or most of them. And they are for we see a lot. And so for me, it's a good initiative. And then my only hope when you ever target those hard to reach areas, those deprived areas where who hear these things are. Yeah, so for me it's a good initiative. And the other thing is that yes, I'm here a teacher, so whether government they do a rush supposed to. Yes, because any system global happened in 2022, and I feel the impact. So whether government coming to push or not, at the end of the day, any teaching, any fear, rendering a service to both the community, government, and the nation. So at the end of the day, I'm here to quite generally no matter the government they post you. So for me, the argument about okay, yes, no rush were post were fine. Seek financial clearance, fine. Okay, yes. But at the end of the day, I'm the one contributing their best to the nation. So look at who here who deserve it. Let's just give it to them.
There were so many demonstrations and paid nurses. I've been in media for long. And coalition of unpaid nurses, coalition of unpaid electioneering bonner. But government are not perform, and government are not loser. There was so much pressure. So government also, listening government must yield to the pressure. There was so much agitation in the country. And workers can create instability. Workers, the Workers' Party.
Oh yes.
Workers can bring down government. Ema mare global na bafia teacher kata o lo so so ko over su ko mo clergy lao o mo na ko kata o chu ba ko ya ba me kaya ke na la ba kala ke na teacher kata ya ko me ya bi kata cha cha moto.
And you see na when you workers can bring down governments. Like a community like this, they see teachers as their opinion leaders. Yes. So whatever teacher Ogbula. There was where I did myself. There's this man, teacher, and no, but they listen to him. Whatever he says, community will follow. So already, I remember left me there. So for me, at least let's find every means possible. Let me have resolve their concern. At least so that they go back to the classroom and teach. Most of them, after school, licensure exam, we pass cover. Oh, well, licensure exam, but they actually frustrate way. All the time. So let's see. Let's show you another. Having that the government is putting in measures, actually some of these areas were put over. I'm very grateful. But otherwise, at least I'm much more comfortable.
Licensure as a Morocco, Mahama they will cancel teacher licensure as I was right in that room. Let's not go there.
And when you're ready, no, that part, I'm sure that you know the approach now. When you're ready, they will add it to their final paper. Then what add it?
I've never had opportunity to discuss this in the area of my shows. So I'm surprised. Hey, you cancel licensure as a monohomamolo.
You see, okay, what cancel it then? No, no. At the end of the day, they are doing school. And I bet open finance and then there's a portion that like how this is who want to. Open do not go licensure. Open finance people is part of it. That they now popular. That ends it.
Okay, my work was a policy. I'm a policy crafting. You see, I feel na poncho to nyama. I just do for an issue. Na semacho apami. I got see chopaya. I will get the one I'm to my own on yan. Zigramono is super on a chew and for road levy. O pass na. Ever knowledge on here coffee and spoke about any practical knowledge. It's our old teaching practice. Every room, all those blue. I have few only a teacher. If you like now, Varo got Rogacho. No one licensure is a day school pass or after some time. What you go poverty? Practical school so last you can a congress who come and get a small post. So I'm a craft policy, my this was what they were thinking about. I cannot call licensure as a cockpit over finance somewhere. Road learning man, Joko Kalakala, Eco Gamble. And you will have the school. But I cannot go economics that if you got if I move for a grammar and another kind of so in every way, everybody has a reason for doing something. So one politician should not use a promise to just cancel anything. There's a reason for that. Even directorship promotions, more data, or in a portal room, what aptitude test no, girl, portal bubu. I don't know promoting. You see, so please, I mean, these are some of these. Okay, natural cardigan.
Yo, I Enyaya, Ejabe, Miapenya Sela, nungolo dioda ubele koko workers wa umatandi koplo what can bring down the government. Maka kokberembe many government they can even bring down the economy. Workers only do ya economy once they sit at home, that's ends our economy will melt down. Ma adon kujine NDC do beli. Even during COVID-19, some workers sat at home for 9 good months, but they were paid. 9 months sitting at home, they were paid. And these were not 1 or 2 workers, they were thousands, tens of thousands, perhaps even hundreds of thousands of workers sitting at home. Some 3 months, but some also stayed up to 9 months, but they were paid. So if today, without any economic crisis, pandemic, or whatsoever, and the government is spending on other things, and I would say intentionally ignoring our workers, because during JM first step, teacher offer for 1 year, okay, 3 months salary now. You may have a 1 year, 3 months salary, complain, and that also contributed JM election loss 2016. So and those same teachers are working, and some are even saying that they've been working for 1 year, 6 months, but they were paid for only 1 month. Edefo is a dogo job and a mesrona de catcho me have a mistake. If you wava you melatoda ake be jirudua and yabe wacho me have workers were seriously. I mean, do a numero did if government pretend to pay, they also pretend to work. I ain't no blame because me have you over quarter flash aku wachi kagem kevo lebenu sura o ma sura ela be teachers o me ponu no du abia ba to school come anom nkole ko ta ma de kuku bedi mi aba workers wa nanado be government eno me sesa lekeleke o du nanado hu o gboronya ole nanado hu kuran go hala nanado me joke na gbe workers wo ya da COVID-19 no be me joke fe now. Nanado menna increment or less than 10% bomb. His entire government. Even there was a time he gave an increment of I think 25% with COLA and cost of living allowance and other things. That ewanubla ne egbe last year only 9% workers who and at the end of the day omele fe check now. Mane kukube ma ayisigo ekede Ghana nyae menye party nyayo evinye atano school ko de mesibe eye evio ha atano school ko de mesibe majiwe magaide nurses oya kwanje bakpajo ta ma de kukube wa kefene teachers so eleveve don nenu wa jira presidential jet akwa kefene school eleveve because at the end of the day this from Singapore and Lee Kuan Yew. That man, fly commercial, his entire prime ministership. Nukata, LLAB, Singapore, la Egamelesiu, Tesman Nigeria, how or have presidential jet, Singapore prime minister, and no commercial flying. Ta Ekbe, because of those sacrifices, Omata Nigeria, Singapore, Singapore is in the first world, Nigeria is still in the third world. Tamma ko presidential jet agbemi aba workers so dara yoju ko na gba echo me ma no mi asio ta eleveve den akpe
yo nyaponkola agba I have a solid team. We have the men. Message around, thank you. All those messages like some of the messages like Agbanyo, good morning to you, Kuma, good morning to you. I like in the show. We appreciate all that. But the team is good, so you thank the team. All right, GPRT welcomes for price cuts, suspense plan, fare increases. GPRT, Jirudo, Kona, Bukula Kata, Bukula Kata, where Nyachile Ghana, Bukula, who were Habobo, The Public Relations Officer of the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU, Abbas Imoro, has welcomed the government's decision to absorb part of the fuel costs in the next pricing window, describing it as a relief for transport operators who were preparing for an upward adjustment in fares. That be the don't know the room, but what that for George. Maybe I have Joko or a judge with Gaga. I took away Imoro, a Yandala and GPRTU, Yo, Botana Chirula, Chirula Japaba, Yahofua de Achenayo, plus where Amibashi Magano Jim and Mabubo. His comments come after the government announced that effective April 16, and by the Camino Revia, Chobaji Heira, 2026. It will absorb 2 cedis per liter of diesel and 0.36 per liter of petrol as part of measures to cushion customers against rising fuel prices. Ojaba liter, you can have a liter gallon and we should go back gallon of Clamaro buffer. Ojaba 2 cedi nanoji diesel, Washington by 2 cedi, Jiruba 2 cedi. Shakutu si dia khlo sube amipa nemia miajema miapo boju via reta jiru kutu si khamne liter shalita ne diesel ka 36 pesos mia petrol ku plug nya me fuel nya oro okay mia le is okay ta nya si da ma elikam
before coming to government government and president Fifia and not demonstrating the Ghana top versus versus and then promise benefit to Gia Yawan Gidi here called I put Ghana top first in everything that whole duty if aqua Yapetemi Bobe call and do afford the bedoy a genano one. No just don't go. Ghana to no jicho model then we are wala and when you be I made a global propaganda program and not have nenya tefi nyale ki one play and then pronya tefi one family one 5 year and you be wa man on yenu play abano yenu play ya me personal baba ko be no enya kpete le popola à la façon que il est là. If I go in opposition, I mean, okay. Looking at the rate, play Coco, play Mampidia, HB administration, and no one and no one. I mean, Chemifa, Tamifa Lake in Molequa, young present TCB. Tamifa, yes, a full of price and no DD, that whole DD to come and view check who benefit, fine to the demand. We probably price of Nusiola signature. And then Gidia, Udidi, companies, businesses, Vabella, you cut down, you pay spend you pay price of pay, you pay Nusidawe because of the economy really running and all that. And Ghana viewer, I'm open Gaki, Chiamu Gidu. Similarly, for whatever as low as 9 petrol as low as 9 cedi 99 pesos. At a point, petrol 17, 15 to Koyame. However, 9 cedi 99 pesos. If you have a maybe Jidua, Echo Ghana told that Ghana view over the no elevated. Maybe Yawaga, no be no Gakenehu, Nanya Begana view, Pochitra, no Yatano Pocodemia, and pass it down. Type at 9.99, you have to take Pochitolo and then never forward yet. No happy. So, yes, at a point, Nudoba no G, I have the price in the KG. Yes, so the good thing is FIG, I got my bed. Like you value G, like probably about the Ghana toy, that I want to do that quickly. Yeah. Or convey meeting and then we'll come out okay. Petrol, a liter hour 0.36. play diesel by 2 cities. But sure by far, under the Fourth Republic, these are things people government to come with you. Under previous occasions were people COVID time return night chimi me free ga ko kaba ko le mi si piti kama task me cheap play map day. If you have a government if you get under this administration, you consider Ghana top of the fees, the faces say, no, you have solved the petrol 0.36 per liter. And never about 20 liters is safe even if it is 10 liters, 0.36 times 10, at least there's something coming into your pocket. I don't get so if you have an able deal, if you are now petrol will likely be selling around 0.98, which I think is equally fair compared to 15 and 17. It's equally fair. And we are time okay. The managers of the economy will let for even to aside the Israel, Russia, Ukraine, about these 5 countries over there, or the Middle East in terms of culture, you have a dollar rate, exchange rate, the stability. Many fluctuating, many yield. Unlike under some administrations were Russia, Ukraine, they say over Russia, Ukraine. Similarly, the Kwame attorney general, Middle East, Melbourne, and the stability in American exchange rate. And because there's stability in American exchange rate, and after we have a full price challenge, because at a point during the Russia-Ukraine COVID-19, before a surge, the global market price to about 104,000 something per barrel. And at that time, we're buying fuel around 17 cedis per liter, diesel around 20 something per liter. And the exchange rate then was about 16, 17. Now, fuel economy, but look at how we are buying fuel today, 12.98. Exchange rate economy, that's yesterday, in my trial, I got it at $11. Depending on the exchange rate. So you could see that the government is doing well in managing the economy. For me, the only prayer and hope we never, aside doing all this, I want more to create more opportunities, job opportunities for teaming unemployed youth. And then other sectors where, especially invest in agriculture. The agriculture create employment for a lot of people. Then me self-dependent. Import so much. Just last week, Monday, income surplus was around 4.8 billion towards the end of 2025 or something. Yes, we are importing less and exporting more, so we are having that kind of income surplus and all that. So for me, it's a good sign where the economy is managed by competent people, not River with titles with slogans. We didn't announce when we have a solid economic management team or solid whatsoever. These are people who want to work. Over you are but you forget about propaganda, but by slogans but already know. So Ghanaians, we are feeling the impact. The good thing here, at least GPRT, will increment your VAR. Yes, that's all no rooftop, you are increase your fare, you are increase fare, you are increase fare. Now, for Voma and I do you feel like suspending. And what does it do? Who suspend here? It's any relief the truck drivers, market women, HR, or relief it. At least there's some kind of relief in the economy. Massive anxiety, my mind, and now, which is good for the economy and Ghanaians. The rate at which the president said continuously. And Maka H, the Attorney General, actually Chagba Babedi, I make it all heavy go to me at Begadi. National Cathedral, even if you get to Fima. A cow will be there, if you must swimming pool, my head left here. A cow will left money. And will cause financial loss to the states. Think a national cathedral that government bungalows were new infrastructure, new Nikoli. What is our priority as a country? Let me one or G. A wholly fine house, I'm wedding by come out, make now other man. National Cathedral, even if it does a project today, you might talk about build city later, better one. Dubai, they let me say Dubai, near Kubala left here. Yeah, expand, they may have the Sadako, Yamivan, Kakanuma, that years swimming to Vadube. And what pays me at times? What pays me at times? What pays me at times? Let me say now, the same people who caused this thing now all behaving very holy, like listening to Nana B yesterday. I was surprised. Email the country. I may you have Susuekia. When the whole government is building only house, judges were playing to me cacao, and now you are coming back to tell us when you are winning, let us manage now a country economy. He may sell a fig to Koyama power. Open Kandahar, better boys, you may court back to judge the court. What haven't we seen in this country? Tawaman or Bronam, if you will better. So the thing the Yaku government very first said we never okay. Email the prosecution a quality Ujebene Kabakabadi, Emia for me up in Kawadi. Email Pogake, I also trust the Yape president being the listening government and who are sure they are and sure they end their priority. Because I was just coming from Waterstar, I made to know. Millennium Milan as a party in a budget. Kake the verses saying the aura. I mean,
you me block position. I have evidence. Na back.
Very soon, American Attorney General in the news will put together investigations so that here. At least Kakapekia woman. Ya Bokedi, Ya Segedi, Metro, yes, things are happening because that is what we as a party communicate also. Make sure they're very slow. Can we sure yes, we grind slowly. At the end of the day,
the wheels of justice grind slowly, but eventually to a halt.
Yes.
The wheels of justice grind slowly, but they grind eventually to a halt. That maybe that's the axiom. It's working. Comments. Me, you know, Uncle. Good morning to you, Tony. This is Kunadu. All be lie. There is an increment in fare already. All right, thank you for a message. Esinam Dugado Mesera. Good morning, Tony. They have already increased the price of. They have already increased price. That's just fares. Okay, since last 2 weeks. Over. Actually, now I'm taking comments serious because in Cho, having like a job, me no show here. I go over Christina Cocky there, spacer, or like an flag that year. But comment, Mercado comments that. I go there, the way you see the AI, you call AI come here. And but we are behind the space for Fiamani. Gakedi, I can to couple verified Facebook page. Post them almost a picture. Non via le Ghana flag that she after over the robots, a robot and a robot. So to couple playing Chimota said picture, no verified. You Thomas comment, we appreciate your comment, but I think I trust the president and his team. Fact check over fast check your Christina Kokumo Ghana flag or you space and share. The robot monogaku flag that you dare not. We are doing a like cuts in the air. So science has completely disproved the whole thing. So I'm beginning to take comments seriously. We are just here praising nothing. We have increased fares already.
Yeah, so to people are better one we are. Oh man, just have my response to the first already. Probably yes, even though GPRT we talk about human when we are. So the best thing about regulators are they have to take charge.
They have to enforce.
Yes, because government are control. Yes. So these are things.
And I also noticed when my statement are there, or said, yeah, good morning. I've seen your message. Okay, I'm going to message somebody. The reason why the reduction is 2 cedis for the diesel is because most commercial vehicles were Ozana diesel. That in that case, that's a form of progressive tax reduction. You got tax. I'm individual, so petrol are more. But fair for first to reduce, I do have you get 2 cedis. That's a very intelligent point also from you. All right, Honorable Petron.
Yo, my global. Tishe ono nyale globe nanyebe dollar view ya ole complaining na obe dollar you wa mejeben na vana sifia tok avako tepe be o minya 10 years ago ndudu na no mi asilo efi ya ndudu oge no ege ete na okoko kaka do fimi kaka bi anyala wa wuwe elabe dollar mo wo be ndu bia ya vale history bona obere epere over ya ndudu na ilo yosi enya mama kan fa do women now eyata enya gebe novinye elikem le gbogbo if you like be full price di divide nu kaka onyebe ega koji let's me exchange rate ele low. Yeah, full price leji. It doesn't make economic sense. And Nanadwa eme compare exchange rate ever do 1 cedi to $17 $1 to 17 cedis or so. Can have a full price shebe inflation kwejia. I think it makes economic sense. Kake this time full price leji, while the exchange rate is quite stable. Yeah, of course. Over for Russia, Ukraine to them. Kaka over Iran, America, Israel to them. Be ya atan cost full price ya wajiji. Ta enya kelele global. Even kura nene eje 1 liter of petrol ya de 36 pesos. Is that something meaningful? No. You see, we call something the Stockholm syndrome, whereby the victim is grateful to the perpetrator. No, we are not
Stockholm,
yes. We are not under. We are not suffering from that psychological issue. Ta miameketo wena be for price feyiji ya me kava de nu vitu kwide leme na mia mata na kwafo na mio be o mi wo mi de nu kanye mi aven be to na mi awe globe Ukraine play Russia manu abawa bombo de no le bomb dava Ghana nu kanta onyebe miano one about Ukraine Yano effect feel like Ghana ha. Ebe Iran no le missile dava Ghana. Hafi mi abe fuel prices o mele stable wa. Ta mi abe nya gbogbo le opposition na. E ya ke komika kole mi adije. Mele dije nu ye yere ke kona mi o. Mi anto standard de be mi set na mi adokwe le opposition. Now even despite the government absorb coins video element, Kura Gohana Egbe petrol is selling at 13 cedis, 27 pesos, and diesel at 16 cedis, 10 pesos, almost equal to how it was when you were condemning it. Ta change economy mile and Nanyebe migu bova openya TV kodola gobe elebene otoni general ne wale ameyo wele responsible for corruption pleto nuka jomile attorney general don nuka eya mi wa kole mbe amele ju president Mahama plebe minister so ebe ne ipomo no ya do pagbela o da me mamo last year amele fi atike 60 Ghana cedis be akota gbele do kwenu maybe amema ekwebe no e gamele si ufo na imem atike kele na wa yavaku 60 Ghana cedis at times, me call a data bundle plate of your play. Ola mema o drop on ya pata o demo. Ya amo dudu kopega. According to me, apanya gogolon biba mo dudu kopega. Ya ever gogolon the field of justice grind slowly, but if you eventually come to a halt. No, the field of justice grind slowly or whatever. Ameya obo donu le juko la kokla meya be fiatika by now me jabelo do mo habeko ta NDC emekobe o scam over way to power. They lied. I don't want to even mention LGBTQ. Now they are telling us that it is not a priority. Now that the exchange rate has come down and everything, it is no longer a priority. But when the exchange rate was high, it was a priority for them, not the economy. No, the economy wasn't a priority for them in opposition. The LGBTQ issue was the priority. Egbe, according to your own government ministers, over LGBTQ, make it a priority. That this is a government that literally scammed its way to power. And omele onadeke wa de over no 24-hour economy yakura, it has become a burden for them because the ball that NDC play over Jirudu Kebele Zijegba mele aglobedi megale golobe open no bedodo no tasi tafla de me se tafla de dodo rekel ala be open and to me mina mi opposition open and no na mi abe na yova government oh Ghana le totroge azu paradiso mene open no na mi nyama nuka ejo awe egbe komia mede pare kakola fache haneko o enu kale gbele mi ate nyama COVID-19 na de kaya me vao pandemic de kaya me vao kaya pandemic gavale nyakele le me nu ka ko jojogbe alo ne be na de ke bi va nu ya be lockdown do wa pa mo wa no pe wa ke fa na wa de ki mi nu ka wa jole Ghana ala be nu ma o jopo nana go handle you with competence kaka ekema me jamonu o glonya olonu do ala no pe jo kefe na o kaka eke do ala re do me yi jo me na fa na o ele complain be National Cathedral to nu ka jo mi le nana do le juko ya me le yi le gbogbo every day and day ministers o le juko ya me even convicted criminal when said in am time up to now me dey secure ebe nkebo
secure extradition.
Of course, so where is she right now? Is she in Ghana? After over 1 year in government, a whole national government couldn't secure the extradition of a convicted criminal. Not Ken Howe Ken is not a criminal. It is only the public's perception. Propaganda, any propaganda, webe Ken Vazu, amewuda le Ghana to come if you kake ame ya wo drop on me. Pecho nyamena, be elebe, oh,
propaganda message now was also in present.
Yeah, of course, but that one, it is done. Daddy, Misikio, Nenebe, Attorney General, and Katabe, Attorney General, Yamatel Nareka Wacho, corruption. Maglona Webe. NDC, they are neck deep in corruption. And President John Dramani Mahama, I think not more than a month ago, even Galam say NDC told the Galam say, but hey, you Galam say fight you. I say let you call me. Never to couple like Dover admit and I mean, Domain, they are more than that. Kake Ekimiko Adankolo. Ka Nengebe Attorney General, our prosecutor Melody, Meleboglo now already. And the Benin government 22 former ministers kimi toya be to Jukobega and JM first step. Enya okata eye ame obegale dwegbe. Last year the president John Dramani Mahama set a code of conduct na ever condition make the 1 month every yanto break you. Make the 1 month every yanto break the code of conduct to. Eleke no viewer Ako presidential jet now. No viewer we have interest in the natural resources of this country. Ako presidential jet. Ako na enovievene Ibrahim Mahama. Ako presidential jet. Ako na president. Wano kuku ano yano gogo. Yore gogo let me ready. Ibrahim Mahama nto have pay na pilot o. Service na plane Musianu look job government wana kweme oja na midena plane me mili Ghana jikoya me mila pepo businessman ka wana business la yame businessman ka wana expenditure la yame nenebe Ibrahim Mahama be businessman pele jikoya be mine so ko la kuku nyame to menu kwasio le kuku no vie be president le jikoya me every president ele gbogbo no do minister ebo egbe be ijinu ke minister ka agbobe awu imaneo minister ka atam atote Ibrahim Mahamanu lesme president ebenye novia ebe president ele gbogbo conflict of interest and President John Dram let me point the John Jolly Oga na mine ye that mine okwe the company. This is what we are talking about, the corruption.
2024
no it was this NDC is neck deep in corruption. There are over 10 legs corruption fight you. No fight corruption. Over than respecting many Ghanaians or no Pakpene UN, bear all the 36 pesos. A liter of fuel meta drive or meta a good for you. No direction intelligent. Ella bear the chamber bodo. Again, mechanism make economic sense. Nay at the 36 pesos. Per liter of fuel, yeah, respected by driver or mandale a good for you. While I'm going to do it.
Akbe, honorable former Kadigaima. All right, messages are over to Facebook. Good morning to you. Well done, Christian and Diabolo message Rami. Mary Holanyo Miakosem Chukaga, dental great job. Johnny, good morning to you. Mary as well. Don Akbe Maovi Salasibe Akbanami Kata Dubanami Ramia Jujinami. All right. I church Masita military Kanagami. Military Kapunya military Miapunya Afimaga Troga message Mamlo. Yo, that message is on over Kawakawa 1 plus 2 3 3 4 2 6 7 0 7 7 3, and I'll conclude on that. So, Menyanam, that I plus Uber Miasa comments out, Mian Fiamas comments, and Tamarua comments are on the member of the Street Times. So, that when I read the comments, and you need to respond, and that I respond. Okay, right.
Okay, yo, so, the 0.36 reduction. I'm over likely here, the thing about 20-50 liters jar. That is when you feel the impact. Now, in a week, mention at least several times, and I'll feel it. At least the difference, and clear now. If I want to buy food, I have a chat. The difference of 1 peso or 2 peso actually my mouth, like the cheaper one. So 0.36 is good for making all the benefit.
Mary, where is Madam Vice President, the educationist?
say, okay, mess up. My language came on. All right, so thank you for that. Kingsley do mention about automatic posting. Indeed, you people haven't seen anything yet. Good morning to you, Tony. All right, Eric Maunyo, but don't worry, dollar is down. Just remember, dollar is down to 10 cities, and your life won't be the same. Resting indeed. Eric, don't message now. Eric, don't message now. But good morning to you, Tony. Good morning to you, to your team. Great team. Our teacher trainees in 45 colleges of education watching. Next time, when you hear NDC, you will ask for terms and conditions. Yes, zoo. Yes, sir. All right. So, we'll comment on more comments here.
Yeah. So, okay, comment here. So that's fine.
Just a quick one.
Yeah,
Carol, respond to other comments.
Yeah. So I think the NDC government they come with a promise, and then we are delivering on that. Many other teacher posting play agitation only. Many bail. Me and Toyman are critical about it because we know that it's not a challenge. The only thing government are find every ways and means possible. Where we recruit more teachers. Even if there's a way there, we have some more agreement with other countries. So any feel okay, we have more of the teachers. Yeah, not about a year. We can still do that. Create employment opportunities for Ameya out here to school. I think this is not today's issue. Since independence, we have issue here. Teacher open up posting at a point. Probably the supply and so another government conference in a way. So for me, the hope and prayer and the government have find every means possible. But some of these concerns will allow addressing so that they are making all the school for former man normal. Kakiwa have hope, but yes, they will do that. There's readily available job.
Very well. Thank you. All right, Kadiga, just 1 minute.
Yo, and I'm going to come at the senior macro. And I say I can be a senior macro. I am going to be Ghanaians, women and ye, they can piato NDC ball. Ghanaians were woman and ye, they can piato NDC ball. No, the Kaja could be out there. No one open but to doji. Alabe, no one open but to doji. I'm a recamaton and I can be out. I can no open but to doji. Y'all let a flatcher do over so open but to doji wawa. Can a female like Ghanaians were what yak the way. Eh, I may your over of a two. I may your oppost. I may your over Oma common or horridom or woman can teach you. We are left with less than 2 years. Government yana jole siji. Nemia gapokwa. Elo the college jole siji ke. Miava. Nemiva. Miava ava we. Abeleke mi chona jo. Then do allow and then don't kujibe mena less than 10% increment per. Kaka government ever 9%. Out of the 9% ja. Omen effect worker. Na amea ado. Eyaka NDC. Wa adolescent the 2028 Mitako.
Good, thank you. Good morning, Tony. Then, if it goes down to that same threshold, can you adjust it down as well? My name is okay, Esina. I don't know whether it's the same Esina. All right, good morning to you. I'm Jacobs. Don't worry, the buses are coming, and government will take over the sector. Are you sure about that? All right, Honorable to Stockholm effect, and I think I like that. We'll conclude on that. If you mean nonetheless, the Stockholm syndrome, Stockholm syndrome, but it's a psychological response where hostages or abuse victims develop positive feelings, sympathy, or even loyalty toward their captors or abusers. It's a coping mechanism that can emerge during prolonged captivity, threats, or abuse. Imagine Sweden, bank robbers are over Lamo, Olamo, the captors are Mokolamo,
Stockholm, that's a capital.
Sweden, yeah. Imagine Sweden, Kokono, Mfiam Tamaromi, politicians, we are loyal to them. They are our problem. Tamaru, Sofuaro, yes, sir, man of God, sir, professor, Kaka Sofua, Yoga Homa, Eba Motivi, Yoga Hongra. Menu, Kakojiba stupid Vietnamese for 100 keyboardist. God bless you. I bless your life. Because you are loyal to the person. But in his mind, he's making a lot of money out of you. Olona Medena Yagoma, I fear Tanama by force. Amanazu Popo, Eva Espinaji, or fear Paraka, one low by force. Nano, Yabopome.
mosquito coil malafmo mosquito net malafmo akoba fumotor vannem no jing jove then wa dedicate to wa initiate to after some time I will call akpasese there o bon le bona mi down me now and no preaching you are they caught you by force. Politicians, you use our monies anyhow, try bypass us, people, but we still kill for stipends. Tony, the chairman is around Dogo for 100 cedi in our story. Yes. Stop with me, friend. He's a thief, he's a criminal. But the man you around people, not politicians. I don't call your name. Stop for me, flight is what we used to finish the show. Thank you very much. Eli Kepchomobo and Kaliga. Thank you. You can come in and
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.